Are you looking for a reliable service to clean your rental property here in Ocean City, New Jersey? We have a changeover cleaning business here in Ocean City, New Jersey, and we service houses here that do the rentals from Saturday to Saturday, and we have that tight window from 10 to 2. I work with a team of teachers. I've assembled a team of teachers because unfortunately the weather isn't always nice here, and we're seasonal. And so we go in between that 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock time. And we also have on staff, I've hired a handyman, and that handyman can do repairs on the property because, let's be honest, some tenants aren't as nice as others and there is damage to the property. So he is available between that 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock should any problems arise.
Yes, and with that, for our sales listings, the cleaning and handyman service comes in great because, let's face it, sometimes when we're listing a home, the property has to be cleaned. So we have that for you as a value add. And then through the process, a buyer does a home inspection. Usually there's a list of items that have to be done. And then you don't have to go calling around trying to hunt for somebody to come out. They don't show up. We have that handyman ready to go that can check those things off the list for you.
If you're interested in our services, you can call me 609-707-5804, and I'll come out and take a look at your property and then give you an estimate what it would take to do a changeover clean. And then you provide me with the schedule and we put that on the calendar, and we can work with you all summer long to make sure that your tenants are happy in their vacation property.